Another project I'm working on is restoring this scat. We already got 2 scat pack engines and it's no frame damage. Stay tuned. It's another build vlog we have to do. S3 tuning, lifetime speed, baby. You know what I'm saying? So I stripped the wire. I'm about to put one of these on there and then connect them and join it right here. Work on the grounds and let's go. If anybody got any comments, this wire on the 2017 harness literally just looped back right here. Now she's running. Got the other door on. Trying to change the dashboard. Clean up. Got a fender on. Working on that other fender. And a wrap. It's closed, so street legal. So we got to try to mock up the door now. Oh damn, we should have put the steering wheel down. So now I'm switching the bezels from black to white because this car had blacked out bezels, so we're gonna keep them.